Hey there, History Mystery Man here, heading back from my interview with Dave Darlin near Kokomo, Indiana, coming through Huntington. Hear that? Oh, I love to hear the trains. I'm in Huntington, Indiana now, the county seat of Huntington County, and I got a choo-choo train coming through right now. I think it's cool, but I just happened to be driving through and I looked down in a hole and I saw this really awesome little park. I mean, look at this little pathway. Isn't it cool? I saw this awesome little park down in a hole and I just wanted to show it to you, just to peek real quick. So I'll turn the camera around and let you check it out. It's really super interesting. Nice little brick pathway leading into the little park, little gateway here, and look at these ancient steps on the way down. I mean, we're going down into a park. I mean, these steps have been here a long time. Huntington, Indiana, that is known as the Lime City. So there must be some limestone here, I'm guessing, going out on a limb there. But look at this. We're going down into a park. I've never done this before. And the best part is what's on the other side, down in the hole. Look at this. It's beautiful. Isn't it sweet? That little tunnel there, I wonder where that thing goes on the other side. Yeah, look at this. I'll give you a little pan around. We're definitely in the hole. But this is really cool. I've never really seen a park down in a gully or a hole like this. And we just keep going down, down, down. I love it. I love discovering things like this. It's never about getting to a place for me. Is this cool or what? It's never about, hey, can't wait to get to Florida and stick my toes in the sand. It's not about the destination. It's always about the journey, getting there. And people get so in a hurry to get somewhere, they forget about all the cool, awesome things in between. So it's the journey. The journey getting there that's where all the fun is, all the adventure and discoveries. Cool little placebo. What do they call gazebo? I knew it was a zebo, one of those zebo words. But look at that big stone wall. Isn't it neat? All the way around. It's beautiful. I love it. And I have no idea where this little tunnel goes. It ain't the tunnel of love. That's okay. Just want to see what's on the other side. Coming up out of the hole. And I wonder if the Wabash River is somewhere down there. Oh well, I didn't find the Wabash River, but there's a neat little adjoining park off to the side there. But I'm going to go back through. I thought it was interesting driving by, and that's what I do. If I see something cool, I stop. No questions asked. Just wanted you to see it. Tell you what, these steps have been here a long time. And that's the stairway leading back up. Man, that stairway just speaks to me. So there's the park down in the hole. And couldn't help but, you know me, I have to read the sign. John R. Kissinger, 1877 to 1946 Congressional Medal of Honor recipient, quiet hero. Few know his name. He lived here in Huntington and became the first volunteer to subject himself to the bite of an infected mosquito about 1900, an experiment to identify the cause of yellow jack or yellow fever. The successful experiment by the Dr. Walter Reed Science Committee was necessary to make the possible construction of the Panama Canal. Doesn't say whether he lived through. I guess he did. He lived in 1946. So, but here's the adjoining park. I have no idea where that goes. I got to get back. But I thought this was really beautiful. Thanks for going along with the History Mystery Man. You know I appreciate you guys. You should come with me sometime. Any takers? So I've never been to Huntington, Indiana, so we thought we'd just give you a little sneak peek. That's kind of neat. Ooh, doing something there. Ooh, very historic. Nick's Kitchen. Man, I want to go. Look at this. This is downtown Huntington, Indiana. And so far, I'm really, really liking it. This could become a small town feature for me. Look at that row of buildings there, beautifully preserved. Very nice. Way to go, Huntington. And there's more. Oh yeah, this is sweet. What a nice, ooh, that building. Now that's old. Super old. I'd like to get a born-on date with that one. Okay, we're just looking around, peeking around, never been here. Wanted to see it while I was coming through. Ooh, another beautifully preserved building. Yeah, ooh. Yeah, as the county seat, it's only stands to reason that there'd be a cool courthouse here, and there it is. That is beautiful. Copper Chord Music. An old stone building. That's nice. Yeah. Ooh, I love that. Backside of the courthouse. That is beautiful. It really is. This place has got some serious character to it. My goodness. I may have to come back and do a little something on Huntington. I'd like to see more. It's piqued my interest now. Hey, how about that? The place for pizza pie. The place it's called. Yeah, I'm just looking. Super clean town. Beautiful row of homes here in Huntington. Yeah, really nice. Lots of character. Oh, that's nice. Look at that beautiful old church. My goodness. Oh, man. Look at that castle. Is that incredible or what? Wow. Beautiful. Ooh, got the scaffolding out. They're refurbishing. Oh, that's beautiful. My, oh, look at that. That's a funeral home now, but my God, that was someone's home at one time. Nice. In that same row, I wanted to show you the other side of the street. Isn't that neat? But they're also different too. There's not a one of them that's alike. Oh, I really like this. Look at that, redoing that house. Nice work. Look at this. Beautiful row of homes here. I love it. Oh my God. Look at that stone castle. Ah, wow, a little Spanish flavor. Ah, so nice. I could live in Huntington, Indiana. Well, I guess it's time to leave Huntington. Oh well, I kind of enjoyed it. Look at that. What's that brown marker sign? Dan Quayle Museum? Really? Dan Quayle. I know he was a U.S. Senator and a former Vice President of the United States. I think he's from Indianapolis, but for some reason, it sounds like there's a Dan Quayle Museum here. Anyway, I'll let you Google that one. Oh, just one more if I could. Huntington Twin Drive-In. Outdoor theater. A drive-in theater. Twin screens. And is this cool or what? Huntington's got a drive-in theater. Ah, that's serious small town flavor there. I'd love to go to a drive-in. I haven't done that for decades. But I enjoyed my quick trip through Huntington, Indiana. I'd like to come back for more. Thanks for joining me. For the History Mystery Man, I'm Don Radeball. Well, I haven't said that for a while. Thanks, everyone.